Our first step on question 16 is to take the logarithm of both sides. Now, there is an implied parentheses around our exponent because our exponent needs to be treated as a group. So when I bring down the exponent to the main level using the power rule, I need to make sure that I bring down the entire x plus 8. So now I want to solve for x. I want to divide both sides by log of 7. And that leaves us with x plus 8 is equal to log of 410 over log of 7. Now, these parentheses really aren't needed anymore, so I just erase them, and our last step is going to be to subtract 8 from both sides. X is equal to negative 8 plus log of 410 over log of 7. And this would be our exact answer. And then typing this into the calculator to find the decimal approximation, we would get negative 4.908.